When looking for a CAD package to incorporate into your manufacturing process, a broad toolkit of functionality is needed to cope with demand. Autodesk PowerShape combines the strengths of wireframe, surface, solid, and mesh modeling, allowing parts to be modeled from concept, prepared for manufacture, and even reverse engineered. Models can be created from the ground up, with a multitude of wireframe functions, as well as tools like the Smart Surfacer, which allows a quick and intelligent method for surface generation. Solid models can be created, with the ability to perform direct edits and even combine open surfaces with solids using standard Boolean operations. Extensive analysis tools can automatically detect and repair critical faults in imported solid models, with additional tools such as draft angle shading helping to analyze the manufacturability of models. Models can be prepared for production too, with the addition of fixture assemblies as well as capping or machining surfaces to be passed to CAM software downstream. The ability to work with triangular meshes means PowerShape can also be used for reverse or re-engineering projects. Parts can be directly scanned or point clouds imported and triangulated, with the resulting meshes fixed and converted into surface and solid models. So whether you are modeling, repairing, reverse engineering, or preparing CAD data for manufacture, Autodesk PowerShape has the versatility you need.